For those of you that are interested in sending out a mass email to your students' parents, Skyward's a great way to do that. From the home page of Skyward, go ahead and click on your Teacher Access, and then scroll down to My Gradebook. Once you have your gradebook here, click on the class period that you would like to send the email to. And from your class period, if you click on Other Access, scroll down to Message Center. And there's two ways that you can do it. You can add messages for one message for multiple classes, or you can add message for current class. So I'm going to show you how to do both. So add message for current class brings you to message summary. This is like your subject line. So depending on what your email is about will be what you type as your summary. The message detail, this will be the actual body of your letter. And then this is where it determines where it goes to. You want to make sure that it's posted to Family Access, so that way when the parent accesses Skyward, they can see the notification. Also, the student will get a copy of the email as well. You want to allow parents and students to respond, and you can post your email address for students and parents viewing this message. Down here for emailing options, you do want to send it as an email, and it will usually send it a half hour after you have sent this part here, so you probably want to wait about a half hour or so before expecting any replies. You do want to email the student, and you want to email the guardian. Now, leave checkboxes below blank to send to all guardians. In Skyward, there is usually more than one person, more than one email, and so this is a really great way for the email that you send to hit all of those people. So that's kind of handy as an extra backup. Now, you can send it to the entire class, or you can clear all and just send it to a few. Maybe you only need to send it to so many people. Let's say you've had a project due and some students were still behind in turning their stuff in. Or you can select all and send it to everybody. Then you would click Save. Once you clicked Save, a half hour from now, the email would go out. However, I don't want to click Save because I don't want to send this email out. I'm going to click Back. And then I'm going to close without saving because I don't want to save this email to go out to my parents. But now let's say I want to add messages from multiple classes. I want to just send one email and I want to send it to all of my classes, a one-shot deal. So I'm going to add messages for multiple classes. I'm going to do the same thing. Email summary. So this is my subject, what my email is going to be about. This is the body of my email. And this is a little bit different. I do want to post only for students that are currently enrolled. I don't want it for second semester kids. I want to make sure that all of these are checked because I want my parents to be able to respond. I want students to be able to respond, and I want them to be able to have my email address. It's not necessary to post it on the calendar because it's already dated. The email options, obviously I want to send it as an email. I do only want to send it for students that are currently enrolled. I do want it to email students and guardians, and same as before, leave these blank and it'll go to everybody. It never hurts. And then I just click each of my classes, and then same as before, scroll back up, hit save, and a half hour from now my email will go out. So this is a great way to email parents, a great way to do it all in one shot. You might have to update some of your email addresses because sometimes they may not be current in Skyward, but a lot of times it's really helpful and you get a lot of feedback from the parents.